Aftermath of my son's first demo. It's a 74 Chevy hearse powerwheel. I just thought people might want to see it. This is what it's coming to, people. That's aluminum foil, and that's hot glue pinched behind it to make it look more like an authentic derby car. We'll get around the other side so the sun ain't screwing with us. It's a 74 Imperial bumper. Some headers. Walk around. Little radiator, little fan, little air breather, little valve covers with bow ties. Those are crutches. We blew a transmission and 2 motors in this thing. First time out. But he had fun. There's his stick. There's his switch. We used a house switch because he's a big boy. He's a big boy. It's real. I guess it is real. This thing started out as a pink Lamborghini, and it turned out to this. See the little skull curtains? He picked those out. This is what you do, people. Your children tell you to build things and you just do it. Don't even think about it. Check out the frame. The floorboard is cardboard. The frame is pie tins and beer cans and Arizona sweet tea cans. Alright, whatever.